Go.
গুড ইভিনিং এভরিওয়ান। ভালো আছেন তো? জিরো ভিশন এসে গেছে আবার আপনাদের সামনে। আজকে থেকে জিরো ভিশন শুরু করছে একটা নতুন ইভেন্ট। হ্যাঁ, প্রতি বৃহস্পতিবার আপনারা দেখতে পাবেন কিছুটা সময় আপনি আর জিরো ভিশন। চলুন আজকে দেখি জিরো ভিশন কাকে নিয়ে এসছি আপনাদের সামনে। জিরো ভিশন এমন একজন ব্যক্তিত্বকে আপনাদের সামনে তুলে ধরবেন যিনি দীর্ঘদিন ধরে অটিজমের ওপরে কাজ করে চলেছেন। তার নাম হলো মিসেস জেনেট মুখিয়া। আসুন তার সঙ্গে আমরা কাটাই কয়েকটা মুহূর্ত। Ma'am, am I asking you what is autism and why you started that institution?
Autism is basically a developmental disorder, and autism is a developmental disorder with a lack of communication and social interaction. I started this unit here because when I came to Bhubaneswar, I saw there are like institutes which do take children with autism, but the work done was quite at niche level, quite basic. So we started Tare Zameen Par with a focus to work with young adults, the pre-voc skills, where the 15 plus age group will be taken care of. They'll be given training in vocational skills such as computer, or it can be a lot of things that we are thinking of. It can be modeling, it can be physical training. So this 15 to 18-year-old, if we train them for 3 years, and then when they're 18, when they're adult, we will place them in institutes or organizations where the motive of this institute is they become productive members of society. Okay, because you see in Bhubaneswar there are therapy centers, there are many schools, but then you see children only, the younger children. You don't see the older ones. What happens to the older ones? They're sitting at home doing nothing. So they are our focus. We will take them, train them, and place them in society.
Ma'am, just to clear it up, autism it's not a disease, right? Am I right, ma'am? That is that sometimes we are telling you it's some different type of behavior, and we are telling you that abnormal. What is the difference between autism and abnormality?
See, abnormal means there we'll have to change the definition of normal. What is normal? Something white skin is normal for you, dark skin is normal for me. Okay, so autism is not a disease. It's not a disease. It's a condition. It's a condition, and condition can be improved.
Yes.
It's not a disease which can be cured. So autism kabhi jayega nahi. Autism will be there in the kid.
We can develop
Yes. Yes.
behavior. We can change
Yes.
the behavior.
Yes, we can refine them, we can modify their behavior, and we can make them better, but we cannot take away the autism from them.
Ma'am, how could you identify the children suffering for autism, and how any specific something is there we can find the children, and they can join that type of institution for development?
Yes, there are many tools, diagnostic tools, which says whether the child is having autism or no. Like to name few, DSM-4, INCLAN. These are the basic which are used in India. Otherwise, also there is observation, there is behavior pattern particular, and based on all these things, we decide whether the child is having autism or no. Whether the child is having autism with intellectual disability or high functioning. So it's all proper diagnosis and a proper plan to be executed so that the child benefits.
Ma'am, why you start that institution and what is the name of your institution if you tell to the audience?
The institute is Tare Zameen Par, and the name itself is, I think, expressive. Tare Zameen Par are stars
Okay.
here in our school, and I started this institute because I am in this profession. And when I came to Bhubaneswar, I saw like very few institute which included or mainstream children with special need. The concept here of special need is different. Here special need means dumping. So my school is not a dumping place. We do take care of everything. You know, we not only work with the children in school. We associate the parents in our institute. We train the parents. We insist the parent to take the child out, to take them in society rather than being. Many times what happens is parents feel shy. कि मेरा बच्चा ऐसे हो गया पता नहीं people when I take my child out people look at my
They
child.
feel shy. The children is like that, not a pro money. Other children they are doing, my child is not doing. They can't accept that one. Understood.
So that is where we boost the parents' morality, and that's very very important. You know, where if the parents are cooperative, 50% work done. Then we can work with the child along with the parent because it's a teamwork. Like we alone cannot do anything. Parents alone cannot do anything. So it's a teamwork.
Ma'am, actually, do you need the special type of teacher for run your institution? और जैसे दूसरे नॉर्मल स्कूल में जो टीचर लोग होते हैं वैसे ही टीचर आपके इंस्टीट्यूशन में काम करते हैं?
Actually, special teachers are required, but then in Bhubaneswar there is no center which gives training to deal with children having autism. So what I do is we have our training program where we train teachers and then we place them here. Also, we have projects in other schools where we send our teachers in other school. We conduct workshops, and also we have a training program. We give them training and we place them.
Okay. That means you also train the teacher and by them students also. Both way you are working.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, when you start that institution, do you face any problem and still now you are facing for funding, or how you run the institution?
This is still a struggle. Actually, when I started the institute, it was all personal money, and it was run also through personal money. So whatever children, what happens is when you say a special school, parents generally do not accept that the child has special need. So they want their children to go to a regular school. So though the school was started for the younger ones, but what happens is by the time the parents get their children to me, the child is 10, 12, they're already big. And they get the child when the damage is done. They don't want to accept. So if they get the child early,
Child.
yeah, so that early intervention program, the changes that early intervention program can get. So that is not applicable on a child who's 10 to 12 years old, where the brain is already developed. The child cannot sit and do, kiddish things like sitting, listening and all that basic skills. So that is the first challenge, where parents actually are not very understanding in accepting the child's behavior. So that is where, like if I get a new parent, I make the parent meet other parents, talk with them, learn the journey through autism. And rahi baat funding, it is only run with students' fees. We are not up to any funding.
That means government, through government, nothing help is coming to till now, right?
Yes, you may say so, but we have not applied yet because our intention is not. Basically, I've seen year centers which run. most of the centers go for funding. People suggest me go for funding. So, but the thing is, my aim is not funding. My aim is student success. So yes, in case if we come up with a project like vocation training project, we are planning to get government funds for that. So probably we will also go for funding.
That means you are telling to me that if the children come to your institution from 3 to 5 years, then it's huge development you can do. But most of the parents can't accept and they are coming after 5 years or 10 years, 8 years like that. That time it was damaged. Okay. And ma'am, just tell to the parents or tell to the society how we will help to that special child, how we will help them.
My request to parents is, first thing is you have to accept that the child is different. The child is different, not disabled. Okay, your child will do, if your child has autism, your child will do everything but in a different way. So this is what you have to understand. And once you believe in your child will definitely do, because that is what we do. We believe in the child, and we have many success stories. Like this year, one of the child has given class 10. I have one who has already given 10, 12. He is in second year degree college. And there are many who are in many schools and doing quite well. When they came here, they were just 7 or 8 year old. Now they are 15, 16 and doing quite well. So it's just that we need your support to accept that your child has different abilities, and we have to treat them differently, not ignore them or so. We have to accept them and deal with them. That's what.
And they should come to like your institution for
If-
help them.
If they want something good for their child, they will come to my institute.
থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ ম্যাম। জিরো ভিশনের তরফ থেকে একটা ছোট্ট প্রয়াস এই সমস্ত মানুষের কাছে আসা এবং আপনাদেরকে হেল্প করা।
We go around, follow with